since I'm using a spoon straw, I have to cut the ends. Now let's do the base of the triangle. It can be any type of triangle actually. Here I have one shorter piece, so I need to cut it. Using a soft wire, here I'm using a galvanized wire. Insert the straws to form the triangle. Make sure that you bend the wire accordingly to keep it in a triangle shape. Once you're done, twist the wire to secure the ends. Next is the 3D part of the triangle. Again, you don't have to be exact. Here, I cut another straw in half and inserting it at the bottom part of the base. Twist to secure it in place. Last part is connecting it at the top part. So here, I'm just measuring how long the straw needs to be and inserting another piece of wire to finish the geometric shape. Using a glue gun, I glue the edges to hide the wire as well as to make it look smooth. First attempt, I tried spray painting it, and so I painted it white first before layering it with gold.